In this SQL challenge, we are going to learn how to solve a medium difficulty problem called find the number of customers without an order from Google and Amazon. This is a pretty popular SQL interview problem in retail companies. Given the problem is pretty straightforward and can easily assess someone's SQL proficiency. In fact, we can solve this problem in less than a minute without even preview the tables. If we look at the problem, the only thing we need to do is to find a total number of customers who have not placed any orders. In terms of the tables, we are given two tables, orders and customers. Since the objective here is to count the customers who didn't place an order, the only column we need is the customer ID. To solve this problem, all we need to do is to figure out from customers tables which customer is not in the orders table. So for the SQL query, simply count the customers using customer ID, and in the where clause, filter out the customers that are not in the orders table using a subquery. And that's it. Go ahead, run the query to return the output. Double check the answer and click on Check Solution. If the solution is correct, the system will mark it solved. That is everything I'm going to cover in this tutorial. Hopefully, you guys find this video useful. If you have any question, please post them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.